Ionic compounds. Today we're delving into the fascinating world of ionic compounds, where metals and nonmetals come together to create something truly unique. Ionic compounds are formed when metals and nonmetals combine. They involve the transfer of electrons from metals to nonmetals. Atoms like to have their last electron shell filled. For most, that means that they want 8 electrons in their outer shell. The exception is hydrogen and helium, which want 2. To make their last shell full, they will either give away or take electrons. These electrons are called valence electrons and are the ones involved in bonding. Metals like lithium will give away their electrons, while nonmetals like chlorine will take electrons. Here, lithium needs to give away 1 and chlorine needs to take 1. Giving away electrons creates positive ions, and taking electrons creates negative ions. The positive and negative ions are strongly attracted to each other, and an ionic bond is formed. In this example, lithium again needs to give away 1 electron, but oxygen needs to take 2 electrons. This will require 2 lithium atoms for every 1 oxygen atom. Each lithium atom will give up 1 valence electron to oxygen. This will create positive and negative ions for the atoms. The positive and negative ions will strongly attract each other, and an ionic bond will form. Due to the strong attraction when they bond, ionic compounds have special properties. They have high melting and boiling points. Their shape is a crystal lattice structure of repeating patterns caused by the negative and positive ions. They are brittle and can dissolve easily in water, and when in a solution, they can conduct electric current. In summary, ionic compounds form when metals and nonmetals combine, creating strong ionic bonds. They have unique properties including high melting points, crystal lattice structures, brittleness, and the ability to conduct electricity in a solution. Thanks for watching and keep exploring the amazing world of chemistry.